Hi everyone. Many friends get some ads on Facebook and other social media platforms for a new 48-in-1 toolbox from Ponjio. Buy one and get one free, and they are asking if it is a scam or legit. Ponjio is an online store that is selling various types of products, such as mini keychain power bank, sensitive PUI phone case, magpack battery, and many of other products that are sold at a suspicious discount rate. So I'll start to give some red flags. There is no social media icons to promote the products and see customer reviews. They have strict return and refund policy. It's a copy as many fake stores do. By reading their who is information, we couldn't find any information about this domain owner. The domain name is very young. It was registered on February 10, 2023, and will expire in 1 year, February 10, 2024. Let's have a look on their Contact Us page. Here you can find a fake email for no reply. There is no phone number to contact with customer support. An address was found in Germany but fake. This online store belonged to Estrella GmbH company, and we found it accused company for fraud and non-delivery of goods. That mean you'll not be able to contact with the customer support, or refund a product. Photos of the products are available. There is no customer reviews for the products. This makes it very hard for a brand new website to launch the business. Promote the products. Get customers to buy them. Use them. And then have the time to leave the reviews. There are many reasons why you should not try shopping from the website. Please check all details before buying anything. Based on the information available. At last, there are many red flags, and these are reasons why you should not try shopping from Ponjio online. It is clear now, this online store is not a trusted as online store. If you have shopped at Ponjio and are concerned about your transaction, it is important to contact your bank or financial institution to have the transaction cancelled and your money refunded. Share this video with everyone you know before they become a victim. Leave a comment if you have a note to help others. Have a nice day with us. Beware and thank you for watching.